Cracking the code, it's not what you think, attraction. It's the spark that ignites the flame, the force that draws two people together. You want to know the secret to unlocking a woman's heart? It's not about flashy cars or a chiseled jawline. It's about something much deeper, something that resonates on an emotional level. Beyond the surface, why money and looks aren't enough. We've all heard the cliches. Women are attracted to money, it's all about looks. While these factors might play a small role initially, they're fleeting and superficial. True attraction, the kind that lasts, is built on a foundation of shared emotions and experiences. Think about it. Have you ever been drawn to someone who wasn't conventionally attractive but had an undeniable charisma? Their personality and the way they made you feel overshadowed any physical attributes. That's the power of emotional attraction. It's not about ticking off boxes on a checklist. It's about forging a connection that runs deeper than surface-level traits. When you think about the relationships that have truly mattered in your life, what comes to mind? Is it the expensive gifts or the fancy dinners? Or is it the moments of genuine connection? The times when you felt understood, valued, and truly seen? These are the moments that create lasting bonds. Money and looks can certainly catch someone's eye, but they can't capture the heart. It's the shared laughter, the mutual support, and the deep conversations that build a strong foundation. Think about the people you admire most. What is it about them that draws you in? Is it their wealth or their appearance, or is it their kindness, their passion, and their authenticity? True attraction goes beyond the superficial. It delves into the essence of who we are. It's about finding someone who resonates with your soul, who understands your quirks, and who supports your dreams. So, the next time you find yourself drawn to someone, ask yourself why. Is it because of their external attributes, or is it because of the way they make you feel? Remember, true attraction is about connection, understanding, and shared experiences. It's about finding someone who complements your life, not just someone who looks good on paper. Because at the end of the day, it's the emotional bonds that stand the test of time, and that's why money and looks aren't enough. The emotional roller coaster where attraction ignites. Imagine the rush of adrenaline as you and your partner hold hands, hearts racing on a roller coaster. The thrill of the ride mirrors the excitement of a budding romance. Emotions are the lifeblood of attraction. They are the invisible threads that weave two hearts together, creating a tapestry of shared experiences and memories. Think about the most exciting moments in your life: falling in love, achieving a major goal, or even witnessing a breathtaking sunset with someone special. These moments are etched in your memory because they are charged with emotion. Experiencing something new and exhilarating with your partner not only strengthens your bond, but also creates a sense of adventure and discovery. Whether it's exploring a new city or trying an adventurous activity, these shared experiences are the building blocks of a strong relationship. What do these moments have in common? They evoke intense emotions: joy, excitement, passion. These are the feelings that make life vibrant and relationships meaningful. The same principle applies to attraction. It's not just about physical appearance or superficial charm. True attraction is about connecting on a deeper emotional level. When you can elicit a roller coaster of emotions in a woman, you create a powerful connection that goes beyond the surface. Laughter, playfulness, and emotional depth are key ingredients in this recipe. You create a powerful connection when you share your vulnerabilities and open up emotionally. This kind of intimacy fosters trust and deepens the bond between you. Excitement, laughter, intrigue, even a touch of vulnerability. These are the ingredients that make you unforgettable. They create a dynamic and multifaceted relationship that keeps both partners engaged and invested. These shared experiences and emotional highs and lows are what make a relationship truly special. They are the moments that you will look back on and cherish, the moments that define your journey together. So, embrace the emotional roller coaster and let it ignite the spark of attraction in your relationship. The dopamine rush, the science behind the feeling. There's a scientific reason why emotional intensity is so powerful. When we experience something pleasurable, our brains release dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with reward and pleasure. This dopamine rush creates a positive association, making us crave more of whatever triggered it. By creating emotionally charged experiences, you're essentially hacking into her brain's reward system. She'll associate those positive feelings with you, making her naturally drawn to your presence. Confidence is key. Embracing your authentic self. Confidence is incredibly attractive. It shows you're comfortable in your own skin, and that's magnetic. But true confidence goes beyond swagger and bravado. It's about being authentically you, embracing your strengths and weaknesses. Don't be afraid to show your personality, share your passions, and let your guards down. Vulnerability can be incredibly endearing. When you're comfortable being yourself, you give others permission to do the same, creating a safe and inviting space for connection. Unpredictability, the spice of life. Remember the emotional roller coaster? Part of what makes it so thrilling is the element of surprise. The same goes for attraction. Don't be afraid to break away from predictable routines and inject some spontaneity into your interactions. Surprise her with a thoughtful gesture. Take her on an adventure, or simply change up your usual conversation topics. Unpredictability keeps things fresh and exciting, making her eager to see what you'll do next. Etching memories. Moments she'll never forget. In the age of fleeting connections, creating lasting memories is more important than ever. We live in a world where everything moves at a rapid pace, and it's easy to get lost in the hustle and bustle of daily life. With the constant distractions of technology and social media, genuine human connections can sometimes feel like a rare commodity. But amidst all this chaos, there lies an opportunity to create moments that stand the test of time. Instead of getting caught up in superficial small talk, focus on creating shared experiences that will stay with her long after you've said goodbye. These experiences don't have to be grand or extravagant. Sometimes, the simplest moments can leave the most lasting impressions. Whether it's a spontaneous adventure or a quiet evening spent together, what matters most is the genuine connection you build. Plan a date that plays to her interests, whether it's a hike in nature, where you can both enjoy the beauty of the outdoors and the tranquility it brings. Nature has a way of bringing people closer, allowing for deep conversations and shared moments of awe. Imagine standing on a mountain peak, taking in the breathtaking view together and feeling a sense of accomplishment and unity. A visit to a museum where you can explore the world of art and history together. Museums offer a unique opportunity to learn and grow together, sparking interesting conversations and new perspectives. As you walk through the exhibits, you'll find yourselves sharing thoughts and ideas, creating a deeper understanding of each other, or a night out dancing. Dancing allows you to connect on a different level, moving in sync with each other and the music. Whether it's in a lively nightclub or under the stars, the rhythm and energy of the dance floor can create unforgettable memories. The joy and laughter shared during these moments will linger long after the music stops. The more unique and personal the experience, the more memorable it will be. Think outside the box and plan something that reflects her personality and interests. It could be a cultural event that introduces you both to new traditions and customs, or a food tasting event where you can explore different cuisines together. These unique experiences not only create lasting memories, but also show that you value and appreciate her individuality. These shared moments become part of your shared story, weaving a tapestry of memories that you both can look back on with fondness. As you reminisce about these times, you'll find that they strengthen your bond and bring you closer together. The quiet moments of reflection and intimate conversations are just as important as the grand adventures, strengthening your bond and deepening the connection. Every shared experience, every laugh, every heartfelt conversation adds another layer to your relationship. These moments of genuine connection are what make a relationship truly special, so take the time to create and cherish these memories, for they are the moments you'll never forget. Putting it all together, your action plan. So how do you put this knowledge into practice? Start by shifting your mindset. Attraction isn't about checking boxes or playing games, it's about creating genuine connections based on shared emotions and experiences. Be confident in who you are, embrace your unique personality, and don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Inject spontaneity into your interactions, plan unforgettable dates, and focus on creating lasting memories. Unlock her heart. The journey begins now. Attraction is a journey, not a destination. It's about building a connection that deepens and evolves over time. By focusing on emotional intensity, you're not just trying to win her over, you're creating a foundation for a lasting and fulfilling relationship.